we got a series going on here on Good Day New York. We're continuing our spring cleaning, and this morning we're focusing on cleaning the home and removing harmful toxins.
Joining us right now, Monica Richards.
Hello.
Hello, nice to see you.
Thank you.
She's a sustainability living expert. She's here to show us how you can get rid of things that really don't help you environmentally or with allergies or whatever it is around the house. There are natural ways to clean that people maybe don't think about all the time.
Yes, and today is the first day of Earth Month, so it's the perfect time to learn how to spring clean in ways that really benefit the earth and human health for our families as well. So let's get into it. So here's what happens with chemicals. This is why it's important. So the University of California, Berkeley recently discovered that we are exposed to 5,000 tons of chemicals annually
I believe
indoors.
that. That's just in my apartment.
Yes, in the workplace as well. So we might not have much control over the workplace, but we do have a choice at home, right? This is why it's important. So this is what happens with chemicals. They escape products in the form of gases, and then that accumulates in the air, and we ingest it all day long. And this contributes to a lot of issues like respiratory issues, developmental issues, nervous system issues, reproductive issues, and it's especially important for children and pets because they don't have the same developed immune systems that we do. So first and foremost are 3 categories that contribute to really high VOCs or volatile organic compounds within the indoor air pollution, the bad stuff, yes. So first and foremost, finishes and furnishings. When we choose finishes that are made of synthetic or man-made materials like plastics throughout the home. This means your flooring, your walls, your ceilings, your countertops. Anything that's man-made has plastic in it, and it off-gases all day long. Interior paint also has plastic in it, so it's off-gassing. Yes, the one brand that I love that is zero plastic is called Alchemist. So what we do here for an eco-swap, I call it, is choose natural materials. Wool, cotton, flax, stones, wood, anything that comes from the earth is the way to go there.
Okay.
Secondly, cleaning products.
Yes, let's talk about that.
So first up, we have bleach. Bleach causes respiratory issues. What we want to do for an eco swap is choose non-chlorinated bleach. It's the chlorine in bleach that creates those respiratory issues. We also have oxygenated bleach. If you want to open this. Oxy bleach is a great alternative for many mishaps throughout the house. Anytime you need whitening.
No, well, I've got allergies right now, so maybe I'm clogged up, but it doesn't really smell.
This is good, yeah.
Yeah, usually when you open up bleach, it's like, whoo.
Yeah.
And this doesn't do that.
But does it work as good as the other stuff?
On grout and laundry, everything. You accidentally have like a white spatula that you dip in spaghetti sauce. Put it in your oxy bleach.
What's this called again?
Yes, oxygenated bleach. This is a brand called Blue Lens.
And you just find it, in stores, on Amazon, everywhere?
Yeah, everywhere.
Okay.
Also, in laundry, if you're looking for whitening and you have hydrogen peroxide, dump that in there, or deodorizing. Good old white vinegar.
White vinegar.
White vinegar is good for a lot of different things, isn't it? Like
in my home, I have a huge jug. Not this little guy.
It's good for cleaning wood floors.
Yes.
With a little water, and then use that instead of floor polish.
Doesn't it dull the floor?
No. It doesn't.
Okay. What about baking soda?
Well, so can we go to a window cleaner?
Yeah, I'm sorry. Go right ahead.
So window cleaning, ammonia. It usually has ammonia, and it also causes really bad corroded respiratory issues. Instead, we have a brand called E-Cloth. So E-Cloth, they use only water, no cleaning solution, still gets rid of 99% of bacteria and germs. All you have to do for windows and mirrors, dip this in water. You can see this mirror is a little dirty. So we'll show you how good it works.
Dip it in water.
So you do this, right? And then you take the polishing cloth here, it's dry, and you go right over it. And look at that.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay, Monica, let's see some other stuff.
I'm kind of at a bad angle. So.
Okay, good. I see you.
It dries out.
Yes, it'll be sparkling clean. Yes, exactly. So baking soda, this is for drain cleaner. I shed a lot, so this is like a true blue DIY tip. All you need to do for drain cleaner, no toxicities here. You dump boiling water down the drain, pour baking soda, then you pour some white vinegar over it, let it bubble, do its thing for like an hour. More boiling water, done.
Okay.
It's clear.
Why do we have lemons?
Lemons, this is for a multi-surface cleaner. We all have tons of multi-surface cleaners throughout the home. You really only need one. So we've DIY'd it here. It's 3-to-1 ratio. 3 parts water, 1 part distilled white vinegar. I like putting lemons in it for a little grease cutter, mess cutter. And then if you do want the sanitization for viruses and things like that, rubbing alcohol. And it works so well. Oh my gosh, well, it's not, we should have tried this before the show.
Okay, so listen, I do love air fragrance, and I know that's not good, right?
Yes.
I love it so much, though.
I know, we all want our homes to smell delicious.
Right.
Here's the thing about fragrances. In the United States, it is illegal to only list a fragrance on the ingredients list in the back of the package without listing what exactly is in the fragrance. So a company could use a myriad of chemicals within that fragrance. So we don't know what we're putting into our home. And this includes plug-ins, aerosols,
So what should
any
you
scented.
use?
So what we should use, you see this, the diffuser.
Yeah.
You just use essential oils. This candle, by the way, is made with soy wax, a natural scent
Okay, so
again.
soy is good, yeah.
Right, so also note that candles that are traditional, they burn the same toxins in your home as diesel fuel.
Ay, ay, ay. All right, Monica, how can
Yes.
people find you? This has been an eye-opener today.
Yes.
How can people find you?
Ecobabe.co.
Eco Babe. I
Yes,
like
I'm the
that.
Eco Babe.
All right.
Just get white vinegar for everything.
Yeah.
There you go.
Put it in your diffuser. Who knows?
Exactly.